In this video, I am going to show you how to reduce or adjust the amount of hardware reserved RAM in Windows. Before we begin, I recommend creating a system restore point. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can undo the changes. You will be making changes to system settings, so be careful and only follow the steps shown here. Now, let's get started. First, open the search menu on your computer. Type in MsConfig. The best match should be System Configuration. Open that up. Inside System Configuration, go to the Boot tab. Then click on the button that says Advanced Options. In the window that appears, look for the checkbox that says Maximum Memory. Make sure that the maximum memory box is unchecked. Do not have any number entered in there. If you see a number, uncheck the box and leave it blank. This step helps Windows manage your memory properly. After that, you can close the window and apply the changes if needed. If you still notice issues with hardware reserved memory, you might also want to check the BIOS settings. You can look up instructions based on the brand and model of your computer. Sometimes, adjusting the BIOS settings related to memory mapping or integrated graphics can make a difference. But be very careful with BIOS settings and only change them if you are confident. Another thing you can check is your virtual memory settings. Virtual memory is not the same as hardware reserved memory, but adjusting it sometimes helps with memory management. To check that, open the search menu again and type in Advanced System Settings. Open it up. In the window that appears, go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on the Settings button. Another window will open. Go to the Advanced tab again. Then click on the Change button under Virtual Memory. By default, Windows manages the paging file size automatically. If you want to set it manually, uncheck the box at the top that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then select Custom Size. Now you can type in your own values for initial size and maximum size. There are different suggestions for what numbers to use. A common recommendation is that the initial size should be 1.5 times the amount of physical RAM you have, measured in megabytes. 1 gigabyte equals 1024 megabytes. So, for example, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, that would be 16,384 megabytes. Multiply that by 1.5 for the initial size. Then, for the maximum size, many people suggest making it double the initial size. After entering your values, click on the Set button, then click OK, and OK again to close the windows. You will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. I am not going to change the paging file size on my computer right now, but the process is straightforward. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.